All right, we're about to start taking the unit test over TEKS 6.5C. We'll go ahead and get started. Number 1, which of the following describes a compound? Is it A, a substance that contains one type of atom, B, one element from the periodic table, C, two or more elements joined together in a specific ratio, or D, a common method for separating a mixture? Number 2, take a look here at our illustration. Notice what's going on here. We have some oxygen atoms and some hydrogen atoms. Then we have some water molecules. So reactant A and reactant B undergo a chemical reaction to form product C. What type of substance is product C? Is it an atom, a mixture, an element, or a compound? Number 3, what is a substance that is made up from atoms of the same kind? Is it a mixture, an element, a solution, or a compound? Number 4, what substance is made up of two or more different types of elements joined by chemical bonds? Is it A, a mixture, B, an element, C, compound, or D, electron? Number 5, which of these substances is a compound? Is it A, CO2, B, Fe3, C, N2, or D, He2? Number 6, which of these substances is an element? Is it A, CH4, B, NH3, C, H2SO4, or D, N2? Number 7, looking at the molecule for sulfuric acid, H2SO4, how many oxygen atoms are needed to make one molecule of sulfuric acid? Do they need 2, 1, 7, or 4? How many oxygen atoms are needed to make one molecule of sulfuric acid? All right, go ahead and move on to number 8. Glucose is a type of sugar. The molecule for glucose is C6H12O6. Glucose is a compound that's made from the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Which statement best describes the properties of glucose? Is it A, they are exactly like the properties of carbon, B, they are exactly like the properties of oxygen, C, they are exactly like the properties of hydrogen, or D, they are different from the properties of the combined elements in glucose? Number 9, take a look at that same image that we used for question number 2. So we have oxygen atoms, hydrogen atoms, water molecules. So which statement is true? Is it A, water is classified as an element, B, the oxygen atoms are a compound, C, the oxygen and hydrogen are elements, or is it D, the water molecule is an element? Last question, number 10. Which of the following statements is false? Which one of these is false? Is it A, elements cannot be broken down into individual elements, but compounds can? Is it B, compounds are made from more than one element? Is it C, elements are made of more than one element, compounds are only one element? Or is it D, Compounds contain different kinds of elements, whereas elements are different kinds of atoms from the periodic table. Feel free to go back and look over any of the questions. Make sure that you bubble in your answer document very neatly. If you do erase anything, please make sure you go back over that and erase cleanly. And good luck.